Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli calls for an all-party meeting this evening, saying that I am in dialogue with the relevant parties to assess the situation and find a meaningful conclusion. For that, I have also called an all-party meeting at 6 p.m. today. I humbly request brothers and sisters to remain calm in this difficult situation. This is what we learn as the update is coming in. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli calls for an all-party meeting. Arzu.
Well, Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has called an all-party meeting to discuss the ongoing the protest that is going on in Nepal, which is continuously increasing, and also even after the government has lifted ban on the social media platforms, the protest is continuing, and the move, all-party meeting has been called, comes after days of violent crashes that have left nearly 20 people dead and 100 injured. More than 300 people were injured during the protest, along escalating attack on the political leaders' residence, including former PM Pushpa Kamal Dahal. KP Sharma, the Prime Minister, expected to seek a political consensus on addressing the demands of the Gen Z-led protest movement, which erupted over the government's now revoked social media ban, but has since widened into a border anti-establishment agitation. Security has been tightened across the Kathmandu ahead of the talks. So this is going to be very crucial all-party meeting, which is being called by the Prime Minister of Nepal, KP Sharma Oli, to discuss the ongoing protest and what the next step that the government needs to take. What is the, the movement that will be decided? What is the, better thing to do at this point of time? There will be a lot of discussion that will be happening in this, where the political leaders going to meet at one place and going to discuss about the ongoing situation and the protest that is accelerating, day by day.